Hey, I'm not even supposed to be moving right now. I'm just a still photo. But somehow, here I am talking to you.
Okay, get this. What you just watched, it's not real. At least not in the traditional sense. That was never a video recording. It started as a completely flat, static photograph, which I transformed into moving lips and a speaking voice using Dzine AI's LipSync. Plus, the tech doesn't stop at just this one picture. I can take pretty much any image, or even a silent clip, and make it talk with my voice. Honestly, this whole project kicked off with pure nostalgia. I was sort of digging through some dusty old folders right after I lost my job, just staring at all these frozen moments that never had video or audio. I just kept wishing I could hear them. But at the same time, it hit me pretty fast that lip sync is powerful and kind of dangerous. I mean, if you can make any face talk, you have to decide very clearly whose face you're going to use. So, here is my hard rule. I only use lip sync on images and footage I own or have clear permission for. No celebrities, no strangers, no revenge edits. This is a tool, not a weapon. So how does the magic happen? With Dzine's LipSync, I'm essentially constructing a puppet made of pixels. First up, I drop in a base image or a silent video. Next, I feed it the audio track, whether that's my own vocals or an AI voice I control. Then, Dzine maps out the sound, predicts the mouth shapes, and animates the lips and those tiny facial micro movements to match every syllable perfectly. And out pops something that looks exactly like a talking photograph.
System notification. Your creative skills are outdated. Upgrade your reality. Subscribe to the channel to unlock the latest AI tools and tutorials. Do not get left behind.
And look, the second you wrap your head around the potential, things get entertaining fast. Suddenly, I'm transforming my static logo into a living mascot. I'm taking some random stock photo and making it deliver a full script. I can even grab silent B-roll and give it a personality, so it comments on itself. Sure, none of this is strictly mandatory, but it creates hooks, intros, and memes that are impossible to ignore. But let's be real, this goes way beyond a party trick. It means I can flip static thumbnails into high-engagement animated openings. I can let camera-shy clients deliver a message through simple headshots. I can resurrect old silent footage for brand new campaigns without dragging a single soul back to the studio. Essentially, I can scale my presence, letting my face and voice show up everywhere without spending endless hours in front of a lens. Most people will watch this and think, yeah, that's cool, and then go right back to re-recording and re-editing every single thing from scratch. But a small handful of you will catch what's really happening here. If you can make any picture or video speak with your voice, you're not just cranking out content, you're building digital actors you control. If you want to try the exact lip sync tool I used in this video, I've dropped my Dzine link in the description. Start with one image, record one short line, make it talk. Pay attention to how that feels. And if you want to keep learning new ways to automate your videos with AI, more tricks with lip sync, sharper scripts, smarter workflows, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.